At the end of last year, we conducted a survey to reveal the biggest problems people have during data center and desktop migrations. Here are a few things we discovered. Communication is an area that needs improving. Completion on time is a definite concern. A large number of respondents found the planning stage challenging, with many feeling it took longer and was far more complex than first perceived, especially with the quality and the accuracy of the information presented to them. Finally, about a third of people found that the migration negatively impacted business as usual. What I want to talk to you about is how MX addresses these issues. MX is a software platform that we've developed to underpin our migration service. It's been described as a game changer because it allows us to control risk and cut average migration times by a third. Let's look at some of the main features that allow us to do this. Firstly, MX is able to quickly consolidate multiple sources of information and automatically present a simple and clear view of the structure of your entire IT estate, from the business service through to the app and the specific locations that hardware is being hosted from. No stone is left unturned, leaving you with a comprehensive understanding of your environment. Not only this, but MX will update the data when business as usual activities change. So anytime you choose to access it, you are seeing up-to-the-minute information. Remember, any successful migration starts with understanding what you've got and where it is. Once you understand your environment, you can start planning what to do. I've already mentioned how this phase can be problematic and time-consuming. Well, not with MX. Using integrated business rules to make planning decisions, MX automatically creates 80% of migration tasks, which are relatively straightforward, leaving technical architects to focus all their attention on that trickier 20%, such as legacy equipment. This massively accelerates the design and planning process, and also reduces risk through negating human error and inconsistent decisions. One of the best features of the planning process by far is the elimination of time-consuming what-if scenarios. Picture the scene. You're presenting your plan to the board, and at the end the CEO says he wants the job done in 4 months instead of 6. Now, normally this means having to go away and reschedule, but with MX, you can generate a new plan in moments. So you've created your plan of action and started the process. Traditionally, a big office of project managers is required to update the migration plan as the business changes. This can mean long change freezes while certain events are planned and executed, which in turn can lead to bottlenecks and delayed information. I've already mentioned how MX automatically updates the plan, and what it does is it cascades changes throughout the process. So each time you want to check on progress, you are given an immediate report, instead of emailing your project manager who has to spend time gathering data. Because reports are taken directly from the system, there is total transparency. MX makes the process completely fluid, seamlessly allowing business as usual activities to continue and leaving you confidently in the picture. Let's look at that communication problem so many people raised. MX can generate tasks, then send them directly to the relevant people. This allows each person involved in the migration to view their tasks, know if tasks are dependent on other people, track progress, and upload proof of task completion. This centralized workflow and task management keeps everybody on the same page and allows the project manager to react quickly to any unforeseen situations. As MX can be provided as a cloud-based solution, users can easily access the system wherever they may be and on any device. Controlling the risks associated with a migration can be a struggle for many organizations, and avoiding negative impacts to business is a key consideration. MX automatically calculates the risk of migrating an application based on its business importance and complexity, enabling you to make informed decisions quickly. Without MX, you may have been none the wiser. The final thing to note is that the MX platform comes with a wealth of experience in both migrations and wider IT change as a business. It is the result of Exceed's hundreds of combined years of experience testing and refining processes and templates to run projects, meaning you can hit the ground running from day one, resulting in a faster, safer migration service for your business.